In order to generate a SuperBill in the system, there are two ways you can do this. As soon as a note is finalized, on the line for the note, you can go to the end of the line, click Actions, click Print Note, and you can generate the SuperBill note right from there and click Print. It will generate it as a PDF that you can then either print or attach to an email or some other way of sending it to the patient. That is the SuperBill for an individual visit. You can also go to the top where it says Visits and Receipts, and this is where you can batch SuperBills. So I could take this date of service, this one, as many as you want. Just highlight them so they're all highlighted in blue, and then come to the top and click Print, Print All, and I can choose the SuperBill and then click Print, and it will batch multiple dates of service on one SuperBill.